Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, in the words of Chris saying, I got two home run stocks for you, baby. One of them is already in our portfolio and the other one that I'm gonna give you is a brand new position that I'm adding to my portfolio. I'm adding this position to my portfolio because this company is pretty much forced to go public just to meet demands. This company has the potential to grow so fast, so soon, and it's at an amazing price right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this position to my portfolio and give you guys the ins and out of this brand new company. But before we dive into that, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. With those 4 free stocks, you can keep them inside of the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 4 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you guys want to pick up some Bitcoin, it's around $34,400 right now. I left a link down to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can use it straight on your app or from a desktop browser. Though both of those links are down in the description, but enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back YouTube. Here we are on my Robinhood account. My account is at $45,847.43. On the week, I'm up 5.31%, up $2,312.33. Let's go ahead and dive into the first home run stock that I've been telling you guys about for a very long time. And then we're gonna dive into the brand new home run stock that I'm just about to add to my portfolio. Here we are on the first home run stock, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Right now, it is under $20. It is at $19.40. This is telling me to pick up my final 20 shares to finally get this to 100 shares inside of my portfolio. Right now, I got 79.4 shares, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up the other 20 shares, and I'll finally be at 100 shares of Golden Nugget Online Gaming inside of my portfolio. For you guys that don't know, this is an online casino. There are not a lot of stocks out there that has to do with online gambling. So this is one of the major ones. The casinos make billions of dollars every single year. So I'm gonna go ahead and invest into this company because I think it has the potential to explode in the near future. So let's go ahead and pick up another 20.6 shares. So hit buy, number of shares, do 21, hit review, swipe up. And there we go, guys. When the market opens tomorrow, I have 21 more shares of GNOG, and that'll put me at 100 shares of Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Yes, we finally done it. Let's go ahead to the big news, the major news, the one that we're adding to our portfolio, and that's ticker symbol APTX. Here we are on APTX. This is a SPAC. They're going to merge with the company AvePoint. AvePoint is a data management provider, and they are a Microsoft Cloud partner. What does that mean? That pretty much means when Microsoft does good, AvePoint does good. AvePoint does the cloud services for Microsoft 365. Anybody that has a job pretty much uses Microsoft 365. Also, they do Microsoft Teams. And since everyone is working from home, everyone has to use either Zoom or Microsoft Teams. And I know a lot of school districts are using Microsoft Teams, and the cloud provider behind that is AvePoint. So online meetings, online schooling, online learning is going nowhere anytime soon. Online learning is going to be there for high schools for the rest of existence. Online learning is not going to go anywhere. Schools are going to implement this into their online learning curriculum, and it's going to be a part of our society forever. And AvePoint is the cloud management provider for Microsoft and a bunch of other companies. But AvePoint is pretty much forced. They're getting so much traffic that they're forced to go public in order to keep up with demand. Now, a company that's growing like that is completely insane, and right now we could get it at an amazing price of $15.75. This is a company that is going to double, triple, 10x in the very near future based off what they're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up around 50 shares of this. I'm going to eventually this is the next stop that I'm going to get to 100 shares. Right now, I'm gonna try to pick up 50 shares, and then we're gonna dive into Thinkorswim. We're gonna look at an interview that the CEO of AvePoint did, and then we're gonna do a quick market analysis over AvePoint to see if you guys will be interested into adding this into your portfolio as well. And also, I think Chris added this to one of the stocks for his 100K stock portfolio challenge. So two great minds think alike. I didn't even know that he did a video about this until I have done some research and I seen he did a video of it, and I was like, wow, two great minds think alike. He's been in on this trade. I'm getting in on this trade at $15.75. That is a great pickup for the both of us. So let's scroll down. Right now, the market cap is around $677 million. I'm gonna hit trade, buy. I have $666 of buying power available. Let's try to pick up 50 shares. Nope. Let's try to pick up 40. There we go. We could pick up 40 shares of APTX, hit review, and swipe up. And there we go, guys. When the market opens tomorrow, I'm going to have 40 shares of APTX, also known as AvePoint. Let's go ahead and put up Thinkorswim. Here we are on Thinkorswim, ticker symbol APTX. Let's scroll down to the interview that the CEO had. And right here was one of the great quotes that I seen him say. Strong user growth. AvePoint has 7 million active users from the Microsoft 365 network and a goal to get to 50 million active users. So right now they have 7 and they have the goal to get to 50 million 7 users, which I think that's why they're going public, in order to maintain, to keep up with demand. All right, the company said it can grow from a 3% share in Microsoft 365 customers to 10% share. Wow. AvePoint said that they want to move aggressively and scale the business. AvePoint also supports multi-cloud and can help customers move from Slack technologies to Microsoft Teams. He said we could do the migration. So everyone that's using Slack technology, it'll be a very simple migration to move them over to Microsoft Teams. That is amazing. So here we go. Some companies use Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Salesforce, and Amazon Web Services together. He said financials, AvePoint is estimated that revenue will grow 26% year over year to $148 million in fiscal 2020. The company is forecasted to revenue to hit 193 million to 257 million in fiscal 2021 and fiscal 2022. I don't need to say anymore. These numbers are very accurate. These numbers seem very accurate. It's coming from the CEO. I mean, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but do your own research. But these numbers are very, very accurate. Let's go ahead and look at the charts right quick on APTX. All right, so here we are on the chart. This is a 4-hour, 180-day chart. That means every bar on here represents the last 4 hours. They had an all-time high of $18.92. That's pretty much when they announced when they was merging with this company. It shot all the way up to $18.92 and pulled back. It had a double top right here, so it had a little resistance zone around $16.78 between $17.20, and it has a support zone around right here around $14.24 and $14.50. It looks like it's using the 180-day simple moving average as the support line right here. And the great thing, why I'm picking this company up at the price point that it is right now, is I believe that's a company with 10x in the future, so it doesn't matter where I really pick it up right now. But we zoom in on the 1-hour, 20-day chart. It just crossed the simple moving average line. It crossed it, it stayed above it, and it looks like it's on its way back up to its recent all-time high of this last double top of $17.90. So hopefully when the market open Monday, all 40 of my shares will go through. I'll get in at a great price, under $15. Right now it's $14.93, and I'll ride this bad boy on up to new all-time highs. Price target $25. For short term, long term, I see this company 10xing in a very near, but I mean, the numbers show for itself. If it goes from 193 million to $257 million by year fiscal 2022 that he said, that is amazing growth, and this company would definitely 3, 4, 5, 10x in the near future. So I'm going ahead and pick up some of these shares when the market opens on Monday. And there we go, YouTube. Those are our two new home run stocks, Golden Nugget Online Gambling and APTX, otherwise known as AvePoint. That company seems like it's going to do amazing things in the future. You guys know I'm a firm believer of investing into companies that I actually use. I use Microsoft 365 at work every single day. I use Microsoft Teams at work. every single day. So I'm actually a user of this company products, and everyone knows that the cloud is the future, and this company is pretty much going public just to meet the demands of what they've been doing over the last year. So that is amazing. The cloud is the new way to go. Online learning is the new way to go. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. But I'm going to leave you guys with this question that I want you to answer down in the comment section. If I was to give you guys $25,000 today, what would you do with it? Answer that down in the comment section. Next Monday, I'm going to pick the best answer to that question and address it in my video at the end and give you a little shout out. So the question once again is, if I gave you $25,000 today, what would you do with it? Hey, you can do anything with it that you want. Just let me know, what would you do with it? Leave that down in the comment section. On Monday, I'm going to answer that video. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.